Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent these really cute artificial little mini daisies. They're about 10 inches tall, so they are adorable to be able to put out in different areas. You can adjust all of them if you want to move them around a little bit. You can do that. That is fantastic, and you've got 18 total little guys in here. Then whenever you can put them out, you just need a little small vase, put them in here, and they are so cute. I love the design of them, how they're just, the little mini sizes. It's a nice dainty little flower to be able to set out. Like I said, if you didn't want all of them in there, you could take some of them out. You could lay them out. You could even undo this little band at the bottom and have individual stems. So there's a lot of versatility in these little flowers. The artificial, of course, then you don't have to water them. So that is my favorite kind of flower, is minimal care, and they look beautiful.